Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find all the recent searches somebody has done in Instagram. For example, if you search someone here and nothing appears, as you can see here, they probably removed it and you cannot see what they've searched. What you can do is go to the profile right over here and go up and click your activity and select recent searches. So that's confusing. And here you can see all the recent searches they have done. So if they remove something and they've searched for it, it will appear here. For example, any person, pages, or hashtags or whatever, it will pop out right here. So enjoy and do whatever you want to do with that information. If it helped you, like and subscribe, and have a nice day.